So hello friends, welcome back to the channel. The topic of today video is to get free images, videos and templates for free. So I have a first part on this video and video link is in the description below, so you can also check it out. So today I've come with two websites. The first website is Pixelbay. So this is the main website. So as you can see, they have a royal free stock of free images and videos. The image quality is HD and they are completely free. You can also get illustrations. As you can see, these are the illustration vectors. Now these are the stock of vector images, and they are very good quality and they are completely free. They also have videos that you can use for free. No, and at the end they have a music section. So as you can see, there are musics that you can use, and there are some tags that you can use to the music you want. As you can see, they are completely free and you can download it. So the next website is Unsplash. So this is the main website. So as you can see, they have some HD quality images and they are completely free, and from here you can specify what you want, what kind of image you want. You can also search for the particular images. They have collection section also. As you can see, here are some free pictures and they have beautiful HD quality. So now get to the explore section. As you can see, there are a million of pictures that you can use for free and they are HD quality. So you can use both of these websites for downloading free images, music, videos for your projects. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your family and friend, and thank you.